Students, in the last class we discussed about factorization of quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c by splitting the middle term. In this class we are going to study factorization of cubic polynomials. You know that what is cubic polynomial? Yes, here we have one problem. Y cube plus 6y square plus 11y plus 6. Yes, obviously it is a cubic polynomial because the highest power is 3. Now, how to do? Or how do we get the factors of this polynomial? Students, can you find the 0 of this polynomial? By trial and error method, we can find the 0. By substituting 1 in place of y, that is positive 1, substitute plus 1, here plus 1 is possible to get 0 as the answer? No, it's impossible to get 0 as the answer by replacing y as minus 1. So we say that p of 1 is not a factor of this polynomial 100%. So we go for minus 1. Let p of y cube plus 6y square plus 11y plus 6. We go for minus 1 or negative 1. Replace minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in place of y in this polynomial. We get minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 11 into y is equal to minus 1. Here 6. Solve. What is minus 1 whole cube? Minus 1 power odd number, it means that answer is negative. So minus 1 plus what is minus 1 power 2? Minus 1 power 2 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 6 plus 6 plus into minus 11 into 1 11. Here we have 6. In the next step, collect the positive plus 6 plus 12. Collect the negative minus 1 minus 11. We add minus 12. So what is the answer? 0. Here we have p of minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that the rules, if p of a is equal to 0, x minus a is a factor of the p of x, and it is a factor theorem. If p of minus a is equal to 0, then x plus a is a factor of polynomial, that is p of x. Here also p of minus 1 is equal to 0, it means that y plus 1 is a factor of p of y. Yes, because if p of minus a is equal to 0, x plus a is a factor of the polynomial. Here p of minus 1 is equal to 0. So y plus 1 is a factor of p of y. We have one of the factor of this polynomial, that is y plus 1. We need to find other factors also. How to find the other factors of this polynomial? y plus 1 is one of the factor. Can we write p of y is equal to y plus 1 into something? We need to find the other factors. We have y plus 1 is one of the factor. So, we write y plus 1 in row 3 times. Why 3 times? Because we have the polynomial, cubic polynomial y cube. So, we write y plus 1 in row thrice. What is the first term of the polynomial? Is y cube. How to get y cube from this expression? If you multiply y square with this first expression, that is y plus 1, we get y square into y is equal to y cube. Y square into plus 1 is equal to y square. So the first term is y cube. Here we have y cube. Next, we have 6y square here. We already have 5y square. We need plus 5y square more. So, if you multiply 5y with this expression, we get plus into plus plus 5y into y, 5y square, plus into plus plus 5y into 1, 5y. Look at the question. We have plus 11y here. We already have plus 5y. So we need 6y more. How to get 6y more from this expression? If you multiply 6 with the last expression y plus 1 and multiply with the terms plus 6 into plus y, plus 6y, plus 6 into plus 1, plus 6. So, here the first term is y cube. In the question also the first term is y cube. Y square plus 5y square plus 6y square, 5y plus 6y is equal to 11y, and 6 here, 6 here. So p of y is the same as y square into y plus 1 plus 5y into y plus 1 plus 6 into y plus 1. What is the common factor in this expression? We know y plus 1, y plus 1, y plus 1 is the common factor. Take the common factor y plus 1. What remained here? We write y plus 1 as the common term. So here we have y square. Here y plus 1 is the common. We have plus 5y. The last term y plus 1 is a common. What remains? Plus 6. Therefore, we say y plus 1 into y square plus 5y plus 6 are the two factors. But y square plus 5y plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. We already studied how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Yes, we know. Factorize the quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. Yes, follow the steps. Y plus 1, how to factorize this? You know that the first step in this problem, multiply first term with the last term, that is 6y square. What is the second step? List out the possible factors of 6y square. What are they? Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. 2 into 3 is equal to plus 6. And what is the third step? We need to select the best pair which gives the product 6y square and at the same time sum plus 5y. Check for first pair. Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Plus 6y square. What about the sum? Sum is plus 5y here, but here if you add minus 2 minus 3 we get minus 5, here plus 5. So the first pair of the factors is rejected. Check for the second set, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. What about 2 plus 3? Sum of these two values, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Yes, this is our best selection. And these are all the values of P and these are all the possible values of Q. But we need a best pair. Now our best selection is 2y, write 2 along with the variable, into 3y is equal to 6y square. We need sum also, that is 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y. Now split the middle term 5y as 2y and 3y. Y square, split the 5y, that is 2y plus 3y, 6 here. Y square, 2y plus 3y equal to 5y. What is the product of these two? 2y into 3y is equal to 6y square. Y plus 1 into, what is the next step? Grouping the terms. What is the common term? Y is the common, into, we divide y square by y is the quotient, or we can say y into y is equal to y square, plus we divide 2y by y, we get y plus 2, or y into 2 is equal to 2y. Next, what is the common term? 3 is the common. Take out, we divide 3y by 3y, or plus 3 into y is equal to 3y. The next, we divide plus 6 by plus 3, we get 2. They are same, y plus 2, y plus 2. Again, y plus 2 into, what is the common term? Y plus 2 is common. Y plus 2 common, take out, what remain? Here y plus 2 as a common term, and here also y plus 2 is common, plus 3 remain. Therefore, y plus 1 into y plus 2 into y plus 3, or if you find the product of these three terms, we get the polynomial, that is p of y, or we can say y plus 1, y plus 2 and y plus 3 are the three factors of y cube plus 6y square plus 11y plus 6. Let us take second problem. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is also a cubic polynomial. How to factorize? We know that the first step we need to find the zero of this polynomial. By trial and error method we can find the zero of the polynomial. Let p of 1, we need to substitute 1 in this polynomial. We get here p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. P of 1 is equal to, substitute in place of x, we get 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus x is equal to 1 plus 2. Next, what is 1 cube? 1 minus 1 power 2 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 and plus 2. Collect the negative terms, negative values, minus 2 minus 2 or minus 2 minus 1, the sum is minus 3, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the answer? Answer is 0. It means that if you substitute 1 in this polynomial, we get 0 as the answer. What do you mean by this? Again, factor theorem. If p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of this polynomial. Here p of 1 is equal to 0, so x minus 1 is a factor. P of a is equal to 0, therefore x minus a is a factor. Here we have p of 1 is equal to 0, so x minus 1 is a factor. We have one of the factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Again follow the same steps. X minus 1 is a factor. Can we write p of x is equal to x minus 1 into something? Yes, we need to find the other factors of the polynomial. Write in row, write x minus 1 in row 3 times, because we know that. Why 3 times? Because the polynomial is cubic polynomial. So write x minus 1 3 times. X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, because x minus 1 is a factor. How to get x cube from this expression? If you multiply x square with the first term, we get x square into x cube, plus x square into minus 1 minus x square. In the question, we have x cube as the first term and the second term is minus 2x square. We already have minus x square. We need minus x square more. So we multiply minus x with the second term. What is the product? Minus into plus, minus x into x square, minus into minus plus x into 1 x. Plus x is the last term in this step. Again, question is here minus x is the third term. We have plus x. How to get minus x from this expression? If you multiply minus 2, we get minus into plus minus 2 into x 2x, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. x cube minus x square minus 2x square plus x minus 2x minus x. 2 here, we have 2 here. So we say that p of x is the same as x square into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, minus 2 into x minus 1. So we write x minus 1 as a common factor. Take out, and what is remain? X square. Here x minus 1 is common, minus x we have. Here x minus 1 is common, so we have minus 2 only. Again, x minus 1 and x square minus x minus 2 are the two factors of the polynomial p of x. But we need to find the factors of x square minus x minus 2 is quadratic polynomial. We know that how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. The method is by splitting middle term. Follow the rules. What is the first step? Multiply first term with the last term. What is the product? Minus 2x square. What is the next step? List out the possible factors of minus 2. What are the possible factors of minus 2? Minus 1 into 2, which gives minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, which gives minus 2. These are the possible values of P and these are the possible values of Q. But we need best selection or best pair, which gives the product minus 2x square, and at the same time sum is minus x. Check for first pair. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. But sum of minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Here we have minus 1. So the first selection is rejected. Go for the second set. We have minus 2 and plus 1. Minus 2 into plus 1 is equal to minus 2. What is the sum? Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is the best selection. Now, product of two values minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. What about the sum? Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. The constants with the variables. We should write constants with the variables. So next step, x minus 1 is the first factor. We need to split the middle term. X square minus x, we split minus x as minus 2x plus x. Minus 2x plus x and minus 2 here. Again x minus 1. What is the next step? Grouping the terms. Grouping. Here also group. What is the common term? X is the common. Take out and we divide x square by x. X remain. We divide minus 2x by x. The answer is minus 2. Here plus, what is the common? There is no variable, common variable is not there. Therefore, constant is the common term. Constant is 1. Here we have 1. Here also we have 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Take the common factor, plus 1. We divide x by 1 is equal to x. We divide minus 2 by plus 1. Answer is minus 2. So, x minus 1, what is the common? X minus 2, x minus 2 is common. Take out x minus 2 as a common term. What remain here? X minus 2 is common. X, here x minus 2 is common. Here we have plus 1. So we say that x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1 are the three factors of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to x square cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Next problem, factorize p of x is equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. This is also a cubic polynomial. How to factorize? What is the first step? We need to find the zero of the polynomial p of x. How to find the zero of the polynomial? Yes, by trial and error method, we find zero of the polynomial. By substituting 1 in this polynomial, we get x cube, here 1 cube, minus 23 into x square 1 square plus 142 x is 1 minus 120. Next step, what is 1 cube? 1 cube equal to 1 minus 1 power 2 is equal to 1 into 23. 142 into 1 is equal to 142 and minus 120 as it is. Next step, collect the positive. 142 plus 1, that is 143. Collect the negative, minus 23 minus 120, we add and we get minus 143. Plus 143 minus 143, answer is 0. So we say that p of 1 is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Why? The factor theorem. If p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Here we have p of 1 is equal to 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. We got one of the factor x minus 1. We need to find other factors also. X minus 1 is the first factor. Can we write p of x is equal to x minus 1 into something? Here we have, or we have to find the other factors. We have x minus 1 is a factor. What is the next step? Write x minus 1 in a row 3 times. Why 3 times? Because we have p of x as a cubic polynomial. X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 thrice. How to get x cube from the first expression? If you multiply x square with x minus 1, we get x square into x, x cube, x square into minus 1 is x square. In the question, we have minus 23x square. See, minus 23x square. We already have minus x square here. We need minus 22x square more. So, multiply minus 22x and get the product. Minus into plus minus, 22x into x, 22x square, minus into minus plus minus 22x into 1 is equal to 22x. Look at the question. We have plus 22 here. In the question 142x, we already have plus 22. We need 120 more. So, multiply 120 with the last expression x minus 1. What we get? 120 into x is equal to 120x, plus into minus, minus 120 into 1, 120. X cube, here we have x cube, minus x square minus 22x square, sum is minus 23x square, 22x plus 120x, which gives the sum 142x. We have minus 120 minus 120 here. So, the polynomial p of x is the same as x square into x minus 1 minus 22x into x minus 1 plus 120 into x minus 1. Let the common factor x minus 1. What remain? X square only. Here x minus 1 is the common. Minus 22x. X minus 1 is common. Plus 120 is the last term. Therefore, x minus 1 into x square minus 22x plus 120 are the two factors of the cubic polynomial p of x. But we need to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term minus 22x. What is the first step? Product of the first term and the last term. 120 into x square is equal to 120x square. Plus 120 into x square plus 120x square. What is the second step? List out the possible factors of 120x square. What are the possible factors of 120? For example, 12 into 10 is also 120. 12 into 10 is equal to 120. Or minus 12 into minus 10 is also 120. But we need best pair, which gives the product plus 120x square, and at the same time sum is minus 22x. So, select the best pair from the list of the factors of the 120x square. Check for first pair. 12 into 10 is equal to 120. What about the sum of two numbers? Plus 12 plus 10 is equal to plus 22. So, the first selection is rejected. What about the second pair? Minus 12 into minus 10 is equal to plus 120. What about the sum? Minus 12 minus 10 is equal to minus 22x. Therefore, the possible or the best pair is minus 12 into minus 10. So, values of P and Q, minus 12 into minus 10 is equal to plus 120. P plus Q is equal to minus 12 minus 10 is equal to minus 22. Now, x minus 1, x square. Split the middle term minus 22x as minus 12 minus 10. So, we write minus 12 with the variable x and minus 10 with the variable x plus 120 as it is. X minus 1 is the first factor. We already got. Grouping the terms. What is the common term here? X is common. We divide x square by x or x into x square, and we divide minus 12x by x. Minus 12 is the answer, or x into minus 12 is equal to minus 12x. Next, what is the common term or common? Minus 10 and plus 120. 10 is common, take out and x remain, or minus 10 into x is equal to minus 10x, or we divide minus 10x by minus 10, we get x. Next, we divide plus 120 by minus 10, we get minus 12. Next, x minus 1. Here we have x minus 12 two times, which means that x minus 12 is a common term. Take out x minus 12 as a common. What remain here? X, and here minus 10. So, we say that x minus 1, x minus 12 and x minus 10 are the three factors of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Or we multiply a into b into c, we get x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 as a product. Okay students, thank you.